I'd like to welcome Miss Rosie D. Riveter and Pandora Mystere.
What's up? It's Rhea. Leave a message. Beep. Oh, yeah? Hey, I'm calling you back. Ooh, my train was a bitch tonight. No hard on, nowhere. So I had to put on the wigs, miss the gigs, wash the asses, and to get no trade, honey. And you know a bag of coke should stand for a motherfucker with a lipstick. So then I get to his house, looking like a goddamn supermodel, and greeted, not by a replica of John Holmes at the door, but our friend, Placid Downey Jr. Yes, honey, his partying shut down the Kiki. Guess he blew before me. Maybe he was smoking the tea. So I hope you're up, girl, 'cause I am coming over. Drop your drawers, lower your balls, she on the TV, and keep on your heels. 'Cause I know exactly.
Let's have a kai-kai. We're gonna have a kai-kai. Let's have a kai-kai. I'm gonna let you touch it. Let's have a kai-kai. Taking up the kai-kai. Strip, turn. Let's have a kai-kai. No eye contact, just doggy, honey. Come what? Play that shit. Professional. Oh yeah. Here we go. A kai-kai is a party for playing with his words. We're dishing, cleaning off our cocks to be sure. And when the time is hardening, I don't give a damn. Just put your piece inside my mouth. I don't need a man. Let's have a kai-kai. We're gonna have a kai-kai. Wrap your legs tight. Let's have a kai-kai. Trendfucker. I'm gonna let you touch it. Let's have a kai-kai. Taking off the kai-kai. Strip, turn. Let's have a kai-kai. No eye contact, just doggy, honey.
Satisfying kai-kai.
This kai-kai was extravaganza. Opulence. So, we, you know, kai-kai, no, we, oh, kai-kai, let's go, we go. Ooh, look at us sharing in Alaska.
Manila is Sahara. Oh no, that's Sahara Roll.
I thought it was Bunny and RuPaul. Sorry. Let's have a kai-kai.
We're gonna have a kai-kai.
Wrap your legs tight. Let's have a kai-kai. Trendfucker. I'm gonna let you touch it. Let's have a kai-kai.
Taking up the kai-kai.
Strip, turn. Let's have a kai-kai.
No eye contact, just doggy.
Let's have a kai-kai.
We're gonna have a kai-kai.
Wrap your legs tight. Let's have a kai-kai. Trendfucker. I'm gonna let you touch it. Let's have a kai-kai.
Taking up the kai-kai.
Strip, turn. Let's have a kai-kai.
I'm gonna serve
And jerk
and tweet
and twerk
and pump and tuck inside you, honey.
Woo!